Hello everyone, my dear students of 6th sem. Today I am going to take a demonstration on Abesso refractometer. Here mainly we are going to conduct an experiment on the determination of percentage composition of binary mixture of completely miscible organic liquids by Abesso refractometer. Before going to this experiment, first we shall go for the preparation of different composition solution by taking the two important miscible liquids such as benzene and carbon tetrachloride. First you take a pure A, that is benzene, and pure B, that is a carbon tetrachloride, and you have to prepare a different composition of mixture A and B, that is 10% A, 90% B, 20% A, 80% B, 30% A, 70% B, 40% A, 60% B, 50% A, 50% B, 60% A, 40% B, and lastly you have to prepare unknown solution of different composition. So our aim is to go for finding what is the percentage composition of given unknown mixture by using a Abesso refractometer. So before going to this experiment, now let us go for the introduction about the instrument at present we are using for the finding the refractive index of the given unknown liquid. So this is called Abesso refractometer. Is optical instrument, and it consists of the following parts. The first part is this is a prism box. You have to open the prism box by using the knob, mobile knob, and this is lower end is called illuminating prism and upper end is called measuring prism, and you can have the two separate prisms on these two up and down. And you have to wash this both the prism with the help of a stone, and you have to close using the knob. Then the second one is this is a telescope, so we can view through the telescope for final adjustment of the refractive index. And by moving up and down this the eyepiece of telescope, we can have the clear appearance of the cross wires in the eyepiece. Then this is called a scale from which you can read the reading of the refractive index. And we have one more, this is a rotating, so this is compensator knob. So this is used to sharpen the demarcation line in the eyepiece. So with the help of moving this eyepiece or as a knob, we can easily sharpen. That means we can remove the color edge of the demarcation line present in that eyepiece. Then this is called a knob. So with the help of this knob, we can rotate this is a knob in this one, and we can adjust the images present in that eyepiece, the up and down. So when you after having this one, now let us go for the how to perform the experiment. First, after washing this the prisms in the prism box, you have to insert the pure A through this side, and we can view through the telescope. The first, before inserting this solution liquid into this prism box, now we can view before inserting. This is the appearance of the cross wires in the telescope, and after inserting the liquid in the prism box, we can see either this type of appearance or this type of appearance. When you observe these two, this is a dark line and white. There is two regions, dark region and white region, and this is a dark region. Either of the two may appear in the eyepiece. Here now, this is the line of demarcation. At the line of demarcation, we have the coloring edges. These color edges can be removed by adjusting the compensating knob. So compensator knob adjusted so that the line of demarcation might be sharper. And after removal of the color from that line of demarcation, then you have to move the knob so that the line of demarcation might exactly like the point of intersection of the cross wires in that eyepiece. When this the upper and this dark and white region, where the line of demarcation is exactly the intersection point of the two wires, and that is the final adjustment of the reading for the refractive index of the given organic liquid. So after having the organ, okay, then so you have to note on the readings using this the column, and this is the you have to make use of this type of column in this one. And I have taken readings. I have taken readings for the pure A, B and different percentage composition using this one. And with help of these readings, we can go for drawing the graph, the refractive index versus percentage composition of A, and corresponding the 10%, 20%, 30%. You have to draw the points on the graph using this reading. Then you can draw the line which is comes in this direction and extend this the line backward, so which cuts y-axis, and you take this the solution whose percentage to be calculated, and you have to mark on the y-axis and extend this one, and it cut the graph at this point and draw the line vertically to the x-axis. The point where it cuts the x-axis that decides what is the percentage component given organic liquid with help of this graphical representation. Okay, so this is how we can go. This is how we can go for the determination of the refractive index of the given organic liquid using Abba's refractometer. Thank you, Ananda.